Good afternoon, Year 10. Welcome to a quick video explaining your assessment task due on the 2nd of April 2019. This is just going to break down some information regarding the portfolio. So you're assessed on a few key dot points as seen here: the ability to produce a project from developed drawings, workmanship, observe and follow safe cooperative work practices, and your documentation and folio presentation. I've created an extra document which will be uploaded to your sector just after this, which briefly outlines what's expected in your folio. So the design brief is what you'll be making and what you intend to do. So I intend to be making this and your reason why. So you will need to identify and explore the need for this project. So where will this box go and why will you need to make or find use for this project? Your motivation, you'll need to get 5 images of 5 jury boxes. You'll need to reference these, please note, and have a total of 6 points for your PMI evaluation. Your areas of investigation, you'll need to research materials / timber types, factual information regarding the timber you are using. So Western red cedar or your timber of choice. What is it? Tell me about it and details of other necessary information. About 100 words, including your pros and cons. Also research finishes, types suited for your timber, lacquer, stain, varnish, depending on what you might use, and accessories. If you're using any, what will there be, what and why. Your criteria for success, minimum of 10 points, as there. Your time and action plans. You need 2 timetables. One is proposed and one is actual. The more detail in these tables, the better. Please inform the reader of what you plan to do and what you have done. So your proposal will be week 1 to 11 and your actual will be weeks 1 till whenever you actually hand your assessment. On-guard safety tests. Please insert a screenshot. If you don't know how to do that, I'll do that for you now. Press your Windows key, snipping tool, just type it in. Press new and drag to cut the area that you wish to include. You'll press save, you'll copy and paste that into your document. Obviously this area here will be your on-guard tests. This is just to show you how to use the snipping tool. So you'll also need to include your drawings. If you know how to use CAD, that'd be great, or orthographic dimensioned and annotated drawings, that's fine. Please include your initial sketches too. I'd like to see your development over time, and an included final annotated design with your orthographic projection and assorted views. There is an appendix in your assessment task. If you haven't seen that already, scroll down to the bottom. You'll see it down here. It shows you some basic isometric orthogonal projection. So the top view, N shape is here, the right side is there, and the front is inside. Again, with the stairs, very, very basic. So top, side, and front. So basically these lines project from point to point, cross to cross. Your drawing should be titled. You have a little title block that have your name, the date. If you know to do scale, that's great. Not extremely necessary. Dimensions would be good. I'd like to see that you have measured your box in class. Please do that tomorrow if you have not already. And include some annotation. So tell me what's included, what you like, what yours will include. All these will be due when the final folio is due. Minimum of 3 drawings. You will need to include a materials and cutting list. This is also in the appendix of the assessment task. I included a sample that shows you. So your part, your quantity, the timber type, and your size, as well as the length, and the cost is school provided. So if you're using things that aren't provided by the school, include them in here, and we can go from there. So please refer to your marking criteria as included. You also need to use a procedure or diary log. So dated diary procedures and actions. This needs to include times that you were away, you might have been sick here or there, times the teacher was away, if I was on camp or something similar. Please include those. And also in a final evaluation. So how do you think you went? How do you feel about it? Include your analysis of your criteria for success, which deems the project successful or not. These are important. All aspects of HSC type major projects, you'll need to include a folio that will have these types of headings. So we're just sort of warming up the process, getting you into the habit of working through headings and getting into the folio documentation. Hope this helps and have a good afternoon.